Now I only make chocolate cake like this. Quick, easy, and delicious. That's the secret bakers don't tell you. Let's start our recipe by adding 2 eggs to the bowl. Next, I will add a cup of sugar. And mix these ingredients well. Next, I will add half a cup of oil and half a cup of milk. Now let's mix very well. Next, we will add half a cup of chocolate powder. Now mix very well again. Then add 2 cups of wheat flour. Let's mix until we get a smooth and homogeneous dough. Now let's add a spoonful of chemical yeast. Mix very well again. Okay, perfect. Now I transfer all the dough to a greased and floured pan. Now let's put it in the preheated oven at 180 degrees for approximately 40 minutes. Then, in 200 ml of milk, I will add 2 spoons of chocolate powder. I will mix very well. Ready. Here it is already perfect. Once the cake is baked, remove it from the oven and look at the beautiful cake. Now, I'm going to add this entire mixture to our cake and let it absorb for 20 minutes. To finish, I melted 200 grams of milk chocolate, added half a box of cream, and I'm going to add it on top of our cake. And look how wonderful it looks. Incredible. There's no way to resist. I really hope you liked it. I'll leave it here. A big hug and see you in the next video.